That's the sound of the Northaven Fire Department and Chief Clarence Jr. Firefighter Foundation holding a smoke detector drive today. Residents got to learn about fire safety, schedule smoke detector installations or inspections, and even enjoy a good fire drill, some food, face painting, and plenty of other activities.
We heard that Northaven was the most underserved community in Shelby County, so we wanted to figure out how we could give back to the community.
With construction and furniture in houses nowadays, fire is really fast, so early detection with a smoke alarm is key, and so we want to make sure that people have smoke alarms installed in their house, make sure they test them monthly.
Officials go on to say smoke detectors should be replaced every 10 years. The foundation also introduced a blessing box stocked with non-perishable food items for the community to take as they need.